Alrighty, so this is our ladies spring Jeep quick tip guide video. We're going to be talking about long arms today. I know you have heard that if you are getting to the point where you're looking at lifts, upgrades, different things on your Jeep. People are going to be talking about short arm kit versus long arm kit. And I want to go underneath the Jeep with you today, show you where that arm is that they're talking about, and also show you the difference between a long arm and a short arm. So I'm going to turn this around. We're going to jump in and go through this together. So I want to show you a long arm on a Jeep Wrangler TJ. It's going to be the easiest to show. So this is a long arm that has been added with an upgrade to a TJ. So what you're looking at is right there is where the old bracket was for the original arm. So it ran from the axle to that point. And now you can see it runs from the axle all the way back and mounts. So look at the difference in the long arm on a TJ. All right, so now you know where the long arm is that we are talking about, and you can see the difference between a short arm and a long arm. So now you will know when somebody's talking about a long arm or short arm kit exactly what they are talking about. So I just want to thank you for jumping on here with me. I am Kristen DeLibra from LadyJeepers.com. I believe that knowledge builds confidence. So keep an eye out for these super quick tip videos from us for the entire month, and I'll see you next time.